Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherlyn. In this video, me and my dad are painting birds. He drew the birds, and some of them he colored with color pen. But we gonna show you guys everything we did. It was a good time, father and daughter bonding. I think we did a video like this last year, me and my dad. You guys seen that? We just painted. Me and my dad love to paint. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We enjoyed it. We was painting for like 3 hours. Yeah, so we were just having like a good time. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm about to roll it. Here it is. Okay, so my dad's gonna paint in November, and this is our painting show again. He did birds. And then I'm gonna paint October. And then he's gonna paint December. And then he's gonna paint September.
September.
Oh, you gonna paint a lot.
You think I ain't?
And he's gonna paint June.
You only got two.
Yeah.
Shit.
And he's gonna paint August.
Shit, you gotta start two. I paint 6 and you paint 6 of
And then
them.
he's gonna paint July. And then he's gonna paint May.
I'm telling you, these for the two little kids that I drive.
Ooh, pretty. He's gonna paint April.
Elizabeth and Cal. That on there? Elizabeth and Cal. They like my painting.
He's gonna paint March. Okay, so almost all of the months. So he's gonna paint February.
Yeah, all of them. And that's the last one, January.
And he's gonna paint January.
So I'm getting ready to get busy.
I think I want to paint
Which one do you want to paint? Go ahead and get them.
October and I think it was September, right?
Yeah, you said you like September. September.
I like that one too, May. I like
you
May.
That one there? May?
Yeah, let me get May.
May is good. Put the green and brown.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
I like May.
That's a good one.
And I'm gonna do May.
You don't want September too?
Yeah, September cute.
September got a lot of yellow and green in it.
I'll see if I can. Yeah, September.
You think you can get December?
No, that's good. I'm good with.
Okay, I got 4. I can do the rest of it.
I'll see how much I get through.
Yeah, you can do them. Just start making your paint. Just do it with the orange and get all your paint ready.
Yep.
Once you start.
Okay, I'm about to do October.
Okay.
Or you gonna do November?
Yeah, November.
Okay.
I'm gonna put the birds and the stuff in here.
Cute.
That'll come out pretty. When we start going. I need a towel so I can get before somebody get a towel.
Paper towel.
Paper towel work. I can grab my brush off so you get some more paint on it. I'm
Yeah.
working a lot of different students to paint right now, so they gonna come out good. These goodies. Green. Got what color that was. Go with yellow. Somebody pop up off that.
Make his face. May his favor be upon you and your 1,000 generations. For your children. May his favor from 1,000 generations. And your children, and your children.
Better sit down. They get tired already.
And your children, and your children. And around you, and around you, all around you. He is in you, he is in you. He is for you.
It's for you.
Amen. His favor is upon you. And beside you. Shadow, you won't man up.
Need a little brush.
Ooh, pretty. Oops, was I recording? I don't even know if I was recording.
Was you?
I don't know. Come here. To be overcome by your presence, Lord.
Put some green in there.
Cute. This house coming out. See here.
We're trying to get some color in it.
Ooh, pretty. July.
July was coming up here.
Jerry, the artiste.
Little Rock.
Little Rock, the artiste.
I was born to draw.
Burn the paint. Paint and draw.
So God take care of the birds, so he'll take care of us. He said he feed them, clothes them, so he'll take care of us. That we're more important than the birds. He said he feed them every day. The grace.
Amen,
He said
amen.
he made us to replenish the earth.
He said, what make you think he won't take care of you?
Yeah.
He take care of the birds.
He said we his children.
Amen.
He said we're supposed to be servants. You see somebody hungry, God said you're supposed to feed them. You know, so you're supposed to walk by and say, why are you eating out of the garbage can when you got food and bread at your house? And something to give them. Don't pass them by. It might have been Jesus. Jesus said, when I was poor, you fed me. When I didn't have no clothes, you gave me some clothes. He's talking about people in the street. That they're begging. People passing by every day. Every day. But we want to put them in jail. Lock them up. They're criminals. They're illegal. They bad. They jail people. Lock them up. Throw them away. Cast them out. God said, I can't put a lost sheep. You're supposed to be trying to help them. At least tell them the truth. That God still loves them. That you're not worthless. Some people say they worthless. I wish they just all dead. Who is you to sentence somebody to death?
Yep.
You do the same stuff they do. God said he'll judge him. Let him be judged, but have a righteous judge.
Yes.
See, when it's not a righteous judge, the whole earth is crying.
Yep.
Ain't the whole earth crying now?
Yep.
It is. It's crying. And the baby's dying. Daddy nowhere around. Mamas don't want to be mamas no more. Think the government supposed to feed them. It's crazy.
Yep.
God said, you supposed to be a servant. You're supposed to give back. He said, I didn't take you out of the world. I put you back in there. But don't go evil. Right now we got people out there doing evil. You feel like God loves them. He loves you, but he wants you to be righteous. Do righteous acts. So we gotta be at peace.
Stand.
He said, pray.
Stand with God.
He said, pray for peace.
Yep.
Peace that no man can understand.
Okay, guys, I am finished with mine.
Get some different colors.
Dad is doing another one.
April. The month of April.
The month of April.
Yeah.
And I finally done with my October. It took me a while.
Yeah, the details.
Look at how much my dad has done. He done like 5 of them over there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm still on number 1. I'm still on 1.
You gotta detail it though.
Uh-huh.
So we work as a team.
Cool.
Give me some brown with it.
Okay, now I'm doing September. And now my dad is doing April. So, yep, here's my October over here finished. So now I'm on a new one. Finally. But yeah, here's how it goes.
This is Jerry Huntley. These are the pictures I drew while I went home doing the coronavirus thing, and I did a lot of painting, and I like painting birds and stuff, me and my girl. So on a birthday, after a birthday, on the 4th of July, we come together for family time and we do paintings and stuff. And I hope these pictures inspire you that we all got some kind of talent.
Amen.
Amen.
Oh, okay, guys. So let me show you guys the painting and
So
the drawings he did.
January.
So he drew all of these, and then he paint most of these, and then and some of them you color crayons. Yeah.
Okay. The first one is January.
So this is January. Yeah, this is with color crayon, huh?
Crayon.
Crayon, marker. Oh, marker. I think that's a marker too. This is February. Let me hold it because it got the shine. There we go. That's better. This is February. This is March. And this was with like color pen. It has like a little glitter in it. You can see the glitter. This is March. This is April. Cute little birds. And he draw the birds because God take care of them. And then here's May. He drew this and I paint this one. And then here's June. That's beautiful. I really like this one. Here's June. He used color pen with this. Beautiful. Here's July. He drew this and paint this. Here's July. And here's August. He painted this and he drew this as well.
Painted it.
Yep, here's August. And here is September. And he drew this and I painted.
And outlined it. Did a good job.
And here's October.
He painted and outlined it.
He drew this and I painted it and outlined it. There's October. And then here is November. He drew this and I painted it. No, he painted it too. He painted it and I just outlined it. I just outlined it with the black. But he drew and painted this one. Here's November. Here is December. Oh yeah, we already at the end. Here's December. He drew this and painted and I outlined it for him. Since he has so much time on his hand, he drew some extra one. So let me come over here and show you which one. Here it is. And then he wrote Peace is Always Beautiful by Jerry. It is Walk. And he drew this
2020.
2020. Ooh, there's a little con in there.
That's the picture of what it did.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
And since it was your birthday, birthday wishes for Sherelle.
Oh, cute. Yeah, birthday wishes. Little birdie.
July the 4th.
Uh-huh. So, this is what he drew too. This is really cute. He drew this with the pen with the color pen. Those cute little birdies. Little cute.
Come over here. Are you going that way?
Yeah. He did this one. Cute.
Alright guys, you're gonna see how much coat is still coming out. So
He did this one. This is for June. But he did this one. Real pretty. We haven't painted this one yet. We'll paint this one on the next one.
These right here, the hummingbirds.
And then the hummingbirds right here. Let me put this up so they can see it. real pretty. And then
Hummingbird.
February, he's still not finished painting this one, but we'll paint this one soon.
I'm gonna take a snicker brush.
And then this is a hummingbird for April,
Get more hair out.
real pretty.
Is it better?
And then this is one he drew, real pretty. I like the yellow bird. That's pretty. Oh, then this one, this is a colorful one. I like this one, beautiful. Love the colors on that bird. Real pretty.
On that store.
And then this is the last one. And I love this one. Huh?
And tell these are some pictures for my two little favorite people at Pack and Save, Elizabeth and Cal.
Oh, Elizabeth and Cal. This
Yeah,
is
they were over, we draw some pictures.
this was his favorite customers at Pack and Save. What is it? Cal?
Elizabeth
Elizabeth
and Cal.
and Cal.
Jerry drew up some pictures.
So he drew this for them. This is dedicated to them, this picture. And he missed them.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now we gonna do the favorite ones. What is your favorite one, Dad?
I love that one.
Uh-huh.
It took me a long time to get all the colors in there and paint it. And I like this one right here.
So that's one of your
Yeah,
favorites too?
the cardinals. It took me a long time to get the sketches and the lines in it.
Uh-huh.
And I love this one right here,
February.
Fairwary.
That's your favorite.
One more. Right. And I like this one right here, the snowbirds.
Ooh, pretty. Okay,
Yeah,
like the
and I like
snowbird.
always
Pieces beautiful.
pieces. And I got one more.
Uh-huh.
I put some time in. It took me a little while to paint. On my days off, I did that one.
Ooh, okay, so that's one of your
And I'm gonna
favorites
show
too.
you that these right here I started on. 'Cause
Uh-huh.
I had a lady that she told me she liked my hummingbirds.
Mhm.
So I get them painted next time for her. She liked hummingbirds. There go
Oh.
1, there go 2, and go 3.
Ooh, okay, nice.
So I hope you enjoy these pictures. And we'll do some more.
Yeah, and let me show you guys my favorites. Is this one? I really like this one, the one my dad did August. But I like the fruits. I like the fruits and the basset and the bird and how he's like sitting on a like the wood thingy. It's real cute. I really like this one. And my other favorite one is November. I like November. I like November because it's fruits again and apples and the birds.
So you like
Super cute.
to me like September.
And I like September, the one I did. Painted. He drew and I painted. I like that one. And I like the
Pumpkin, October.
October. This was my really favorite one. I really like this one, so that's why I did this one. Favorite. And I like the one you like. This one. I like this one. I like the one he likes too. Yeah, I think this one's cute.
So tell them enjoy and we'll be ready for 2021. And we hope everything will be okay and we'll keep our peace and joy. Because God, everything is under control.
Yep, he's in control.
And stay out the street.
Yeah, stay off the streets. And we like this one, May. I really like this one. I painted this one. Really cute. Yeah, so I like a
And
lot
tell
of...
them to find a hobby.
Oh, yeah. See, this is our hobby. See, so you guys find a hobby to do. You guys will enjoy, enjoy your time painting and spending time with your family. This is nice.
Jose 4:6. A person without a vision, we starve. You got to have a vision.
Yes,
Have a vision.
yes.
You can't change everything, but have serenity to know the difference between is things you can't change, but have serenity and peace.
Right,
If you don't have peace, what you got? Chaos.
right.
We got chaos. So what you got to have? Peace.
Peace.
All men.
Right.
Necessary. Don't go change something that you don't know the history behind it.
Right.
So you people die for their belief. That's America. America always have a vision that everybody is free. So how is you free if you're in captivity every day, working and don't make a decent pay? Give our children jobs. so they have something in their community. Stop looking for government to give you free stuff. Teach a child how to work, and he'll have money. And use it wisely. That's all I have to say about that. Use your money wisely and go out every day to bless somebody. Perfect love casts out all fear.
Well, yeah, guys, this is all for father and dad time. We have fun doing these. We have fun painting together. It's peaceful. We did a little scripture with it. Listen to Christian music. But yeah, we have fun.
I hope you enjoyed the pictures, and we'll see you next time, next year, for some more pictures. Peace and
Bye-bye.
love, and always show love.
Yep, I will show the peace.
Perfect love casts out all fear.
Yep, amen. All right, guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Enjoy.
And I won't make him get in the cage.